Hello, this is Up. I sometimes receive custom order requests through Instagram DMs. Last week I thought it was just another user inquiry, but this time it was different. A student wanted to give a birthday gift to their parents. It seemed like she was in middle school, and honestly, I was a bit unsure at first. With the budget she had, it wasn't possible to make gift for both parents. But since it wasn't a time-consuming project, I decided to go ahead with it. I didn't think of it as an act of kindness. Rather, I wanted to acknowledge the effort she put into finding and reaching out to me instead of just buying a wallet from an online or offline store. For this project, I used vegetable tanned butyl leather. Luckily, I had some leftover pieces from a previous project, and that was the exact color the student wanted. I made a wallet with ivory linen thread, a beige zipper, and an engraving. All details carefully chosen through discussions with the student. I truly hope this becomes a meaningful gift. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And you can support my channel by joining up for membership.